Army Chief General M.M. Narawane clears India's stance as Nepal preps to vote on a new map. Namaste India, I'm Deepak Butola and here's some news from across the country. Hours before Nepal's lower house votes on a new political map of the country that includes Indian territories, Army Chief General M.M. Narawane on Saturday underscored the strong people-to-people ties between the two countries that have lately soured over the map that depicts Lipule, Kalapani and Limpiadhure as Nepalese territory. We have a very strong relationship with Nepal. We have geographical, cultural, historical and religious linkages. We have very strong people-to-people connect. Our relation with them has always been strong and will remain strong in the future, General Narawane said. Officials said General Narawane's comment appeared to hint India's stance on Nepal's effort to expand its territory, one that gives Prime Minister K.P. Sharma Oli's government a silent treatment but continues to build and cement people-to-people ties. PM Oli is expected to give a constitutional amendment bill that formalizes the new map a final push at a special sitting of Parliament's lower house on Saturday afternoon. Rather than wait for the next working day to put the bill to vote, PM Oli requested Parliament to hold a special sitting on Saturday, a weekly holiday in Nepal. Only one amendment has been proposed by a lawmaker who opposed the new map, but there are reports in the local media that she is being pressured to withdraw it. New Delhi is quite upset at how PM Oli has escalated a defense over Lipule Pass to score brownie points with Beijing and serve his domestic political interests. PM Oli's move to jumpstart the row over Nepal's map is seen as an effort to consolidate his support within the ruling Communist Party of Nepal by whipping up ultra-nationalistic sentiments in the country and turn India into a dartboard. This week, PM Oli's government started to fix this gap and set up a 9-member team to collect historical facts and evidences to back its claim about these territories, according to the Kathmandu Post. New Delhi promptly rejected the map, calling it a unilateral act that was not based on historical facts or evidences. That is all for now. Log into www.insamachar.com for news that is absolute truth. Till we meet next time, take care India. Thank you.